Programa Puente building facility. We're very proud to welcome you here and very honored that you would take time out of your day to join us here. This is just the start of our commitment to the community and just an ongoing partnership that we have with that. I want to introduce to you Tina Freese-Decker, who's the Vice President for Spectrum Health, but also somebody who's going to provide remarks to us about what this means to not just Programa Puente, but also Spectrum Health as well. Tina?
Thank you so much. Voy a hablar en inglés, pero yo hablo un poco de español. Y en este momento estoy aprendiendo más, estoy tomando clases. Welcome to the new home for Spectrum Health's Programa Puente.
Bienvenidos, bienvenidas al nuevo espacio del Programa Puente.
We're pleased that after 16 years of serving the Latino community in Kent County, Programa Puente now has a permanent location where we can serve the community very well.
Nos complace que luego de 16 años de servir a la comunidad latina del condado de Kent, Programa Puente tenga ahora un lugar permanente donde podemos servir a la comunidad bien.
This new space represents Spectrum Health's strong commitment to the Latina community and to breaking down those barriers, and not just language barriers.
Este nuevo espacio representa el robusto compromiso con la comunidad latina para romper las barreras, y no solamente las barreras del idioma.
Programa Puente always has and will continue to offer all services in Spanish. By opening this location in the heart of the Grand Rapids Latino neighborhood, we hope to eliminate transportation barriers for clients to use our services and reach others in the community as well.
Programa Puente siempre ha ofrecido servicios en español y continuará haciéndolo. Al inaugurar este espacio en el corazón de la comunidad latina de Grand Rapids, deseamos eliminar las barreras de transporte para quienes utilizan nuestros servicios, al igual que para poder alcanzar a otros en esta comunidad de igual manera.
As Programa Puente grows more comfortable here, we hope the Latino community will grow more comfortable with us as well. We want to successfully break down those barriers, such as fear related to the healthcare system and a lack of awareness or information about the services available through Programa Puente and Spectrum Health.
En tanto que Programa Puente crece cómodamente aquí, deseamos que la comunidad latina también se desarrolle con comodidad y junto a nosotros. Deseamos romper las barreras con éxito, las relacionadas con el miedo y desconocimiento relacionados con el sistema de salud y la falta de conocimiento o información sobre los servicios disponibles a través del Programa Puente y Spectrum Health.
As a result of Programa Puente services, we have helped many reduce their risk of heart disease and diabetes by offering classes in nutritional wellness and physical activity. We have also connected several of our clients to physicians, increasing access to healthcare.
Como resultado directo de los servicios del Programa Puente, hemos contribuido a reducir los riesgos a la salud cardiovascular y hemos prevenido la diabetes ofreciendo clases para el bienestar nutricional y las clases de actividad física. También hemos vinculado a muchos de nuestros participantes con el servicio médico, ampliando el acceso a los servicios de atención sanitaria.
Spectrum Health's overriding mission is to improve the health of the communities that we serve. We are privileged to serve the Latino community here in Kent County, and we want our investment here in the Roosevelt Park neighborhood to reflect that commitment and investment.
La misión primordial de Spectrum Health es mejorar la salud de las comunidades a las que servimos. Tenemos el privilegio de servir a la comunidad latina del condado de Kent y deseamos que nuestra inversión aquí en el área de Roosevelt Park refleje nuestro compromiso.
Similarly, we are pleased to be in the company of other organizations with complementary goals, and we're eager to strengthen our relationships with them.
De igual manera, nos complace contar con el apoyo de otras organizaciones con objetivos afines y anticipamos con ansias el fortalecimiento de nuestra relación con cada una de esas organizaciones.
Our Roosevelt Park neighbors also are engaged in the important and rewarding work of building relationships within the Latino community. For example, the Hispanic Center of West Michigan, Link, and the Grandville Avenue Arts and Humanities have had tremendous success in enriching the lives of young people and increasing access and entry into college.
Nuestros vecinos de Roosevelt Park también están comprometidos con este importante trabajo de establecer relaciones con la comunidad latina. Como ejemplos, cito al Centro Hispano del Oeste de Michigan y la Grandville Avenue Arts and Humanities, organizaciones cuyo éxito por enriquecer las vidas de los jóvenes ha dado resultados ampliando el acceso a la educación postsecundaria o college.
We commend their efforts. Their work enhances the community for all of us.
Aplaudimos sus esfuerzos. Sus trabajos hacen nuestra comunidad mejor para todos.
We're already learning so much in the short 6 weeks that we've been here. Neighbors have shown interest in what we do here, and people stop in to take part in our services, such as yoga, karate, kickboxing, Zumba, and other activities. And they're also teaching in those activities. These activities lead to better health and a closer community.
Hemos recibido solo en 6 cortas semanas desde que nos mudamos acá a nuestro nuevo hogar. Los vecinos han mostrado interés en el trabajo que realizamos aquí. Muchos se han animado a participar de nuestros servicios e incluso algunos se han ofrecido a dar clases de yoga, karate, kickboxing, entre otras actividades que conllevan a una mejor salud y una comunidad mejor integrada. Anticipamos crecer.
We look forward to learning so much more in the months and years ahead and partnering with you.
Anticipamos crecer y aprender mucho más en los meses y años que están por venir en esta estrecha alianza con ustedes.
Thank you all for being here to celebrate with us. Gracias a todos ustedes por estar aquí y a celebrar con nosotros.
Muchas gracias, Tina. I want to talk a little bit about Programa Puente. It has been in existence now for 16 years, and there are people that I want to recognize. First is Maria Cruz, who's been with the program since its inception. She's not here because she's now residing in Puerto Rico, which it's good for her, a spot for her. But I also want to recognize Programa Puente. If I could have you join me here, please. I want to commend you and recognize you for the work that you do. Ese es el equipo de Programa Puente, los que hacen el trabajo aquí en este edificio dedicado a su trabajo que van a hacer aquí. The work that they're going to do here is that of improving the health of our community. And I say our community because I belong to it. Aquí crecí y aquí soy de aquí, entonces aquí es donde tenemos que mejorar la comunidad, no solamente la comunidad, pero también el salud de la gente que vive aquí. So we want to do the best that we can. We're not just committed to the community, we are the community, and we're part of you. And we're so proud to be here and to serve you. Yo crecí aquí, como les dije, y eso es donde yo quiero mejorar la salud con ese equipo, y yo tengo mucho orgullo en lo que van a hacer aquí. I am so very proud of this team here and what they're going to do. They've been working very hard for the time they've been here, some of them for over a decade here. But let me tell you a bit about what's going to happen in this space. Where you're standing is where we do our multiple activities. We have physical activities. Last night, out of curiosity, I drove by here, and the building appeared to be dark, but there are lights in transit. And I walked up and I saw this whole floor filled with people doing yoga. And it was just amazing to see that sort of activity, that energy. It was just beautiful to see that. And I expect to see that as well when we do any sort of activity here. During the noontime, we have this place that's filled and bustling with activity, with Zumba and aerobics and all sorts of things. But also behind us, there's a few rooms here where we do biometric screenings. And we're going to do that with the anticipation of improving community health. And so we're having some impact already. Our evidence is showing that we're making some gains with regard to people's reducing risk for diabetes and cardiovascular disease, and that's really our point here, is to do that. But in the meantime, we're also looking at how we address issues of social determinants of health. And what's really important to me, and March, where are you, March? March Kuiper and I have been here in this neighborhood for I don't know how long. We just stopped counting, but we worked on area-specific plans in this neighborhood. We've done charrettes to see how we can design this neighborhood to be the best that it can be. And so this is really a dream come true to have something like this here. So we're building up and investing here, but not just for Spectrum Health, but for the entire community. So we're proud to do that. And proud that Marge and others are our partners, MSU Extension as well, the YWCA as well, YMCA. So thank you so much for being here. And this is simply, it's a continuation of the work, but now we're on super drive now and doing some fantastic work with the community. So thank you very much. Thank you for being here. Disfruten la comida también y el tiempo que tenemos nosotros y vamos a estar aquí permanente. Muchas gracias.